Advantages of masonry. 1. The use of masonry unit, such as bricks, concrete blocks, and stones, can increase the thermal mass of a building. 2. Masonry is a non-combustible product, and can protect occupants, valuable things, and the building from fire. 3. Masonry structures, walls, are more resistant to natural hazards, such as hurricanes or tornadoes, and even good at stopping most types of rifle and pistol rounds. 4. Masonry has extremely long usable life. You'll never see any 2,000 or 3,000-year-old wood building. But there are plenty of masonry structures that old, which still exist. 5. It won't burn, which makes it great for building fireplaces. 6. It can be quite decorative, depending on the skilled mason doing the masonry work. 7. Masonry can withstand large amounts of compressive loads. 8. Masonry structure will give more resale value. 9. Masonry does not rot. Insects like termites, ants and other creepy crawlies don't disturb the masonry structure. 10. Masonry construction cost is less in both materials and labor. Disadvantages of masonry. 1. Masonry construction involves products, i.e., brick, stone, and concrete blocks, that are extremely heavy, and cannot be delivered in a conventional vehicle, and often must be ordered from a special catalog. The cost of selecting and moving the materials is compounded, because masonry construction cannot be conducted in a heavy rain or under freezing conditions. 2. The installation also requires excessive construction time and manpower, with highly specialized skills. 3. Masonry structures rely completely on their foundation for stability, while wooden structures can bend slightly with the settling of the foundation. This means that, as the house settles, cracks that occur can let in moisture. If these cracks are not repaired, the resulting moisture intrusion can cause structural problems, leading to collapse of the masonry structure. 4. Sometimes, masonry construction can lead to the premature and extensive sinking of the foundation, as compared to the wooden structure. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Various types of masonry walls, used in building construction. Masonry walls are the most durable part of any building or structure. They provide strength, durability to the structure, and also helps to control indoor and outdoor temperature. It separates a building from outside world.